Alright guys, so this is my first official YouTube video and I'm going to a car show. So I'll show you guys clips of all types of different cars. You might see some Hondas, you might see some old cars, like really old classic cars. You don't know, so yeah. I'll cut straight to the scene. Alright, so I'm here and I'll show y'all some of probably the cooler cars.
Too fast, too furious. I'm too fast for y'all, man. Too fast, too furious. Oh, I'm too fast for y'all.
Alright guys, that was the car show. I hope y'all enjoy. And last thing, make sure y'all like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.